Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to increase the mic input volume on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would suggest would be to go ahead and open up the Start menu. Select the settings gear icon on the left side. Wherever you hover over it should say settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the devices tile. Scroll down on the right until you find sound settings under related settings. So now that we're under sound, you want to scroll down underneath input, choose your input device. It should say microphone in here, so go ahead and just make sure that's selected. If it's turned off presently, there should be a slider just to turn it all the way up. You'll see the option to troubleshoot settings if for some reason your microphone is not being detected here, so you can go ahead and select that and see if the volume is perhaps too low. I'd also consider looking on your microphone itself. There might be a volume master control button on your microphone, so consider looking at that. Make sure it's not muted or turned down too far, so definitely something else you can consider. And you can also manage sound devices as well by selecting here if maybe you have multiple input devices that could be mistaken for your main microphone. Okay, so I wasn't able to identify a problem because there isn't a problem, but just wanted to give you guys another alternative method there. So pretty straightforward tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.